Hi, I'm Dixie.
I'm Trixie.
And I'm Pixie. Let's get started.
With what?
PEMDAS! Right, PEMDAS means please eat
Mother's Delicious
Animal stew.
That's obviously not what it really means.
What it really means is
parentheses exponents,
multiplication, division,
add or subtract.
I'll start with P. P is for parentheses. Parentheses are these things right here, and it's the first in PEMDAS, because that's the order of operations. Okay, you start with the problem that's in parentheses, and that's 12 divided by 4, which is 3. So it'd be 3, and you'd move down everything else. Okay, after that, the next thing you would go to is exponents. Exponents are this right here. Usually it looks like this, with a big number and then a little number above it, but we couldn't quite figure out how to do that. So instead, we did this, 2 to the power of 3. So that would be 2 times 2 times 2. Now 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 equals 8. So that would be our answer. So we would erase that and move on, put it right under here. So it would become 3 plus 8 times 4.
Okay, so now what we have left is 3 plus 8 times 4, right here. So we know that 8 times 4 is going to be 32. 32. And so we'll bring everything else down, so addition and then the 3.
Okay, so now we're going to work on addition and subtraction. So we don't need the P, the E, the M, or the D. And since there's no subtraction, we can cross out the S too. So 32 plus 3 obviously is 35. 35 is our final answer, so we can cross out the A.
Okay, this is our original problem. We reset it up on the screen. Now, we're going to take you step by step through what your paper should look like. First, it should be our original problem at the top. Then, after that, we solved for 12 divided by 4, which was our parentheses, and we got 3. So it would be, let's borrow my text, 3, and then we would go back to how it was, plus 2 to the power of 3 times 4. Okay, after we got that, we went straight into the exponents right here. And for that, we got 3 plus 8 times 4.
Time to go.
After that, we went into our multiplication, and we got 3 plus 32. And after that, our final answer was 35. That's what your paper should look like. Thanks for watching. Okay, so we're going to run you through this really quick. We thought you might want a little bit extra clarification. So we're going to do another problem. And it's not going to take that long as the other one did, because we were trying to get all the stuff stuffed into your brain. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, you should know this already, is parentheses, because P, E, that's a B. Why did I write B? Let me rewrite that for you. Sorry about that. P, E, M, D, A, S. So immediately we know that these are parentheses, so we cross out the P. There's no exponents in here, so we cross that out. So solve for the parentheses. Then we want you to pause the video after you solve for parentheses. Then play it when you're done.
Okay, so now I have this right here. 2 times 3 minus blank plus 7 minus 2 times 2. So since we know that 3 plus 2 goes first and that 3 plus 2 is 5, we're going to write that down right here, 5. Okay, so now since we have 5 right there, what we have to do next is do our multiplication right here. Since we know that it's left to right, we're going to do 2 times 3 first. So now I want you to pause the video so that you can do everything else right here, the multiplication right here, 2 times 3, and then the 2 times 2. Now we're going to pick up where we left off last time. So now, as you can see, I left these 2 spots blank right here. So now, since we know that 2 times 3 is 6, we're going to put down 6 right here. 6. And then just zoom that in so we can match that up. And then 2 times 2 right here, we know that's going to be 4. So write that one down, 4. so now this is what it should look like right here at the bottom. Okay, so now this is what it should look like right here. So now I'm going to hand this over to Pixie.
Over.
Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do 6. 6 minus 3 plus 7 minus 4. Whoops, sorry, I meant 6 minus 5 plus 7 minus 4. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do 6 minus 5 plus 7 minus 4. Okay, so 6 minus 5 is 1. And 7 minus 4 would be 3. So you use 1 plus 3, and that equals 4. And that's the end of our equation.
I'm Dixie.
I'm Trixie. And I'm Pixie. And now we're going to sign off. But we want you to know that we are so happy that you watched this. So thanks for watching. We especially like that you're watching our videos on here and learning about math and PEMDAS and stuff. So, yeah. Okay. We wanted to thank this one special person, our math teacher. And her name is Mrs. Perry. And she taught us all this wonderful math. Thanks, Miss Perry. Okay, so always listen to your math teacher because they're really smart. Really. Okay, now thanks for watching. Bye.